Hi there, my name's Cecil. I'm the owner of Catchy Web Design. Thanks for your interest in this video. I thought it'd be a good idea just to put together a short video giving you a brief outline and overview of what's happening with the Google Analytics account. At the top here you can see it's produced by Google. It's the Google Analytics account, and that's the website. And over here, this is the date range. Every website can register with Google for free, and it's suggested that everybody does. For our customers, we produce reports every month based on the activity produced from these Google reports. There's also Webmaster Tools, which I'll cover in a different video, but this Google Analytics gives you a nice overview of what the activity and what's happening on your website. So over here we see that it produces a graph throughout that date range, and of course, as we'd expect, there'd be peaks and troughs. There'll be more activity at times than others, and this can also just give you a bit of a date range indicator depending on when you produced your news stories perhaps, or when you updated something new, or when something that's happening that's relevant in your industry. Like for example, if you sell Christmas toys and it's through the Christmas period, you'd expect to see slightly more activity because there'd be visitors looking for your products and your services dependent on that time scale. So over this period for this website, there were 687 visits in total, of which there were 537 unique visits. Those visitors looked at 3,772 pages, and on average they looked at 5.5 pages on average per visit. So they spent quite a bit of time going around the website. It's always a good indicator that a few pages have been viewed. That means the visitors engage with the website and they're interested in other areas of the website and other products and services. So it's a good indicator. The time spent also is just under 5 minutes. It's 4 minutes 53. So I suppose if you put it into context, how long would you on average spend on a website, and you'll soon agree that nearly 5 minutes is quite a substantial period of time for a visitor to spend on a website. So that's a good indicator that we're doing something right here. But obviously you'd want to watch that's relevant to your own site. The bounce rate. Now people get a little bit confused with this, but the bounce rate is a brilliant indicator, because what that is measuring is what percentage of people are leaving the website after visiting only one page. Now all the search engines take a keen interest in what that is, because that's indicating how relevant the content is. So if a search engine offers up your website as the expert in that area, as a key search result, they'd want to know that the bounce rate is low, that a high percentage of people are actually interested in that content and the website. So the lower the bounce rate, the better. An average range would be between 40 and 60%, but anything under 40% is excellent, and the lower that goes, the better. That always helps with your SEO is a good bounce rate. And then there's the percentage of visitors that's shown anyway in this pie graph. So 70% on new visitors. So clearly the search engines do like the website, and they're attracting new visitors all the time. But that's Google Analytics in a nutshell. There are a few other things that are on the left hand side here that I will deal with in a different video, but that should give you a nice overview of what's happening on the Google Analytics page. But of course, if you'd like a little bit more information, my name's Cecil, the company's Catchy Web Design. Please get in touch. I'll be happy to answer any questions, or perhaps meet in person. Hope to meet up soon. Cheers.